Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing my new mixer. This is a KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus Bowl Lift Stand Mixer. This mixer holds 5 quarts, which is equal to 4.7 liters, which means you can make up to 9 dozen cookies at one time. This is a chart to show the different accessories how to use the mixer. You can also get 25% off if you opt in for emails. This is the first thing that I see. I'm not sure yet what it is, but we'll come back to it. This is a motor head, attachment hub, attachment knob, inch up cover, beater shaft, speed control, bowl lift lever, beater height adjustment screw, bowl support, locating pins, bowl handle, the flat beater, the spiral dough hook, wire whip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.